Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at a foot spa massager. So this is a product which I bought in Amazon. It has very good reviews, around 2000 plus reviews with more than 4.5 star rating. I will give you the product link in the description. I looked at other foot spa massagers, but this one, it has this heating facility. Probably I'll show you this in the box. So if you look at it, so it basically has bubble heat and massage settings, massage rollers, massage head, infrared headlamp, splash guard, and pedicure set. There's also another product which is Revlon, which is listed as a top 2 selling item. This is actually top 3 selling item, but it doesn't have the heating facility and massages in Revlon. So this is kind of I felt like it's a complete package, so that's the reason I bought this. So this is how the box looks like. Let's quickly look at the box. That's the one, top, and then foot spa. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. That's the power cable. Okay, and then I think these are the massage rollers. Okay, let's look at the back of. Okay, so these are kind of holders so that the foot spa massager doesn't move. Okay, so this is the back. Okay, I have a manual, instruction manual. Okay, that's the instruction manual. I think this is the pedicure set. Quick little bag. Okay. Okay. With a brush, stick, and this. I don't know how to use it, but I'll let you know once I start using it. But that's the pedicure set for you. So that's all, friends. That's the unboxing video of Sensio Spa Foot Massager. So I will post another video with respect to how to use this product. So till then, take care everyone. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends and families. Cheers, bye bye.